Hello YouTube, it's me again. Quiet you, I'm trying to make a video here. I got this thing, which something new. It says quick emery oil tool, Pike, made in USA. I'm not sure what, if you can read that, but if anybody can make heads or tails of that, good luck. It is a sharpening stone. A friend of mine who's an antique dealer dropped it off. It says emery oil stone, size 6. It's pretty cool. Quick cut emery oil stone on this side right here. You can see that. And it's got all kinds of patina on it. So anyway, that's one thing I got. Got this big rusty chisel, which I'm going to drop in the evaporust in the next little while here. And cool chisel. Whoa! Also, what? Those anointing? And I got a bunch of these. This is for the, can't go wrong, cheap files. So yeah, I'm going to, I use a lot of files, so these are not bad. I don't know who makes these.
Look, got a secret on this.
What's he doing?
Look, look.
Oh, cool. That's cool. These are Globe. They're probably the cheapest files on record. But anyway, there's a Globe one. This is, anyway, files. Pay much for them, but yeah, they'll get used. This looks like it's been. This looks like it's been used and properly ground down, because apparently when you hit these with a hammer and you mushroom them and you hit it, apparently the mushrooms break off and fly. Put an eye out, so somebody's ground it off. Good safety tip there I learned from several people on YouTube. Anyway, that's it for this short video. I'll work into the next video and my daughter's going to help me because we're playing with a evaporust. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.